Welcome to our channel DEVANT, the tech you will get in a smarter way. And this is the Nokia One unboxing video. Well, this is the phone that only we bought for the review purpose and nearby store. I'll put the link to buy the phone from nearby stores in the description box below. Okay, first of all, we need to see its features. It's a 4.5-inch full WVGA display having 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of its internal storage, expandable with micro SD card. Yes, 128 GB is available, and the 5 megapixel camera for rear with LED flash and the 2 megapixel for selfie shooter, and having the back exchangeable panels. Well, similar to the older phones but having Android OS. Well, talking about the OS, it's running on 8.1 Oreo already in this box. So this price is of about nearly 5,000 in Indian rupees. So if you have a good day to buy it, go and check it out in nearby store, then buy. Before going to the unboxing, let's see about this video sponsor, Selvam Mobiles in Sathankullam. Well, if you want to buy this phone in our sponsor, just provide the code of promo code of NOK1 to buy this phone with some reduction in their rates. Well, now it's time for the unboxing. First of all, here only one thing. Yes, only one, and here it is coming. Wow, it's a first best impression, but here's some damage. Okay, no problem. Here's the device. Let's keep the device nearby and check what's inside. Here's a get started guide for the new users. Okay, some paperwork. Okay, and here's a headset. Recent Xiaomi phones did not provide any headset for their mobile phones, but Nokia provide for this decent price. Okay, standard one, not a big deal. And here's the USB cable. I think yes, it's a micro USB for data syncing and charging, and the power brick adapter of about how much? What do you say? And the output here it's yes, 5 volt 1 ampere. It's a normal one, not a fast charger, and similar that 5 volt 1 ampere output. So they provide a decent charger for this decent mid-range phone. And let's check what is else. Wow, battery. So by the way, the phone comes with a replaceable battery. As I already told, having the cover says there's exchangeable covers. So by the way, we need to know this one. So okay, I'm really happy to see this exchangeable battery in this 2018. Well, let's boot it up. The phone does not have any screen protector front side, and the back is very simple matte finish plastic body. Okay, how do I unlock it? Well, now I'm doing. It's a little bit hard to open. Yes, open. Wow, and inside it's very much nice. Let's see how much ampere. 2150 milliampere battery. No SIM cards now. So okay, waiting for the first boot. Here's the power on off button, and 3 2 1. Yes, having a haptic feedback. Well, by its power on time, let's see the physical overview. 4.5-inch display, about 480 cross 854 pixels, and here no home button, and at the top we have the Nokia logo, and speakers for call, and front facing 2 megapixel camera. Well, this phone comes with GSM HSPA LTE. In India, Geo 4G SIM also easy to use with this phone. Well, the back you are having the Nokia logo and the main speaker. Here, this 5 megapixel primary shooter and the LED flash. On the right side, power on off and the volume rockers. On the left, you have nothing. And the bottom, you have USB, micro USB for charging and data syncing. At the top, we have 3.5 jack. Well, for the headset, yes, also provided by the box. Well, talking about its display, I already said it's a 4.5-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen of about 16 million colors, and multi-touch is supported. Its body is fully of plastic, dual SIM with nano and micro, well, having 4G LTE support and also VoLTE calls available in India. You can also make VoLTE HD calls via using Geo 4G SIM, and memory is of about 8 GB internal storage and 1 GB for RAM. Card slot also available of about 128 GB extended. So you can use 128 fully. And talking about its sound, alert types of about vibration, MP3, wave ringtones, everything is available. Then communication. Wow, did you hear about this sound? Nokia now just booted up. Yes, welcome note. Okay, welcome note. I'm just skip this because it's a normal one for the all operating systems in Android. So just I'm going to skip this. By the time of its actual setting up, so let's see what's inside. It's running on the OS 8.1 Oreo Go and chipset MediaTek MT6737M Mali. So T720 GPU, and the CPU is quad-core 1.1 GHz Cortex A53. Removable lithium 2.50 mAh battery, and 8 GB versus 1 GB RAM. IPS LCD, 4.5-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and radio also available. And the charging and data syncing is done by USB 2.0. So yeah, the phone is now initially set it up. Well, the main thing of about this phone is Nokia is now re-entered their platform to gain much more things from the user. Uh, this is running on Android 8.1, so a recent update from Nokia, and also this device having very much low in their price, also very much good in their appearance, so everyone can bought this one. Well, after the launching of successful launching of Nokia 80 Go, you can also use your phone with the 8.1 device like this. So also we have Nokia 8 in our hand. Well, Nokia 8 is similar to this operating system, and let's move on. What else inside this? Having the gestures one. Well, I think the system update will come, and also having the connectivity of about Bluetooth 4.2, and FM radio is also available. Then Wi-Fi line, yes, already available. And apps notification here, the performance and notification, everything. Oops, battery is of about 29%. Display, having a bright display, I think. Yes, this brightness is little enough for sunny day, and sometimes it's not that much. Well, optimize brightness level for available light. Whoa, it's having the sensors too. Yes, here the sensor for the brightness. So auto rotation, sounds, Let's check this volume. Why, man? Why? Again? Phone ringtone. Well, it's good for some noisy situation, but while you're traveling or riding your bike, it's not enough. And also, just provide vibration. The phone screen just brightened up because of this one. Okay, let's check about its camera. Hello, decent 5 megapixel. Also having HDR mode. Wow, it's amazing, man. And timer, okay. HDR also available. Then flash, okay. Flash off. Wow, the shutter speed is of about very much good to see. And here my Redmi. Focusing, I think there is no focus. It's a fixed focus one. So by tapping the screen, you can adjust its brightness, exposure level. It's a one disappointment. Also having manual mode. Wow. Yes, manual mode only this one auto. So okay, they did very much well. I like this in panorama. Wow, nice. Well, talking about its settings, shutter control, long press, burst mode. Okay, burst mode available. Shutter on great. Mirror photos for front cameras. Mirror mode. Well, I think it's boothy. Well, let's talk about the 2 megapixel front facing camera. Also having the face detection option. So I feel little bit better because having manual mode also. Oh, nice. Wow. Front facing camera also having manual mode. Okay, then video. Yes, video is similar to that one. So the recording quality of this video is 720p. Let's move to the settings. Resolution, yes, HD 720p is for the rear camera. Also we have the standard 480p. Front camera only supports 480p at its maximum. So I will provide some sample shot for the outdoor shots. Wait for this one. So in screen buttons gives this feedback. Also having the Google Assistance, and pre-install application is very much less, and having Play Store, YouTube, full and full of Google apps. So no more bugs. And the camera is also Google's one. Full and full Google apps. No Nokia apps is here. Is very much little bloatware. So easy to use. Well, this notification shade cannot be accessed by this one. Okay, Wi-Fi, mobile data, battery saver, do not disturb torch, similar to Nokia 8. And well, okay, so a pretty much good phone with a reasonable price of about 5k Indian rupees. And again, I'm going to remember that this phone is easily available to the sponsor of this video, Selvam Mobiles in Sathankullam. So if you want to buy this, just pick one by providing the promo code of NOK1. And until then, it's DEVANT. Share, subscribe, enjoy, and peace to all, guys.